Have you ever found answers to life's pressing problems through tarot card reading? Many of you have definitely done that. I have also done it many times. Sometimes we all come to a stage where we don't know what to do. There is a lot of confusion. There are two options or three options, and tarot card reading is something which helps us in such situations, right? And many times people go through tarot card reading and they find the answers, and after doing this couple of times you feel like, why don't you learn it yourself? You can help yourself and you can help other people also. So that's the reason many students come to learn tarot card reading. And like, for example, we have Zeni, who learned this technique. She's a Reiki student, so when there was a course on tarot, she learned that also. As you know, we do so many different types of workshop at Nalanda Wellness. So I'll share with you her testimonial later. But the point is that tarot card reading is a helping profession. You can help others, you can help yourself, and I'll tell you a little bit about the basic and advanced course. Although I have the description, in the description there is a link. You can check out all in detail, like what is there in the basic and advanced course. Let me tell you in short. In the basic course, you learn about the history, how it all started, and how to do it yourself. What are the do's and don'ts? What is the procedure? How to cleanse yourself? How to cleanse and protect yourself? How to do the cleansing of the cards, charging them, how to take care of them, and what are the meaning of various cards? What are the symbolisms? And how to do the reading, the basic spreads, and lot more is there in the basic course. And once you do that, then you are ready to do the advanced course. The duration varies, depends on you, because everybody is different, and we respect that. And whatever time it takes, it doesn't matter. We are committed that you learn it properly and you are able to do intuitive reading for your clients, right? In the advanced course, there are advanced spreads and more exercises so that your intuition becomes better. And sometimes people come with many complex problems like relationship issues, job issues, and court cases, and many things. So in this situation, you can use some advanced spreads, career issues also. So with the advanced spreads, you are able to do more accurate reading. You can read a person, you can find out a relationship between two people, how it's going to go, how or what are the causes of the problem, many things. And many times you are amazed by the answers. It happens many times. So this is all is there. In short, I have explained you what is there in the advanced course as well. And those who are interested and those who have an inclination to promote yourself on social media, I also teach them how to do that on Instagram. For example, on Instagram, I am getting many clients. I have more than 7,000 followers. You can also check out Nalanda Wellness on Instagram, and so I can teach you that also, how to do it in that way. Suppose you want to build your own website, I can guide you in that also. Suppose you want to do on YouTube, I can also guide you how to do it properly. Okay, and so those are some bonus things which I can teach you if you are interested. But the basic and advanced tarot card reading will make you a very good tarot card reader, professional tarot card reader. And many of my students are already doing it professionally. Some of them are also listed on some other websites where they get paid per hour for doing tarot card reading. So that opportunity is also available to you. Now let's hear Zeni's testimonial.
My name is Zenia Desara. I am a Reiki master and a tarot reader. I have learned my tarot reading from Nalanda Wellness. My mentor's name is Reiki Grandmaster Sachin Bangera. He has taught me to do tarot reading so well that I am very confident with my readings, and he has supported me since the day he has taught me tarot reading. Whenever I used to have doubts in the beginning, he has been supporting me and giving me answers, and he has taught me very well to trust my intuition and give a very good reading to the clients.
So you see, in this way, my intention is that by the end of this course, you become a professional tarot card reader who is able to confidently and effortlessly easily do readings which are helpful to the clients and gives you a lot of joy and satisfaction in helping other people. So if that is what you want, you can click on the link in the description, check out the details of the course, and if you wish to ask me any questions, you can send me a WhatsApp message or you can call me also, and we'll clear your doubts, and then you can immediately start the journey. And once you are happy and confident and we are able to do it, because we do a lot of practice also during the workshop. Also we'll do a lot of practical exercises, and also we'll do a lot of reading for you also. All your questions also will be answered. It's going to be fun. So see you in the workshop.